Have you ever watched a series where there's an actor playing a specific character for like a few episodes and then they change the actor and it's like, whoa. Sometimes it's the worst possible decision and other times it's amazing. Or have you ever watched an actor playing a role, maybe in a series or in a movie or a franchise, and then that's kind of like how they're stuck in your mind. So when you watch them doing something else, you're like, that doesn't go. That's not working. Let me think about how we do that with people we know and how we do that with ourselves. We have this stuck perception about who people should be or who they are according to how we knew them. And when we see that they're different, we can't handle that or we struggle with it. And this is just an invitation to use that as a tool, use that as reflection, because if you're doing that with yourself, you might be keeping yourself stuck. And if you're doing it with other people, you might be blocking a new way of being in a relationship with them. So try that out and let me know how that goes.